Gloria. Today I want to share with you a very easy and delicious creamy jello with only 2 ingredients. But first things first, my apron is on, my hands are clean, and I am ready to show you my ingredients. This creamy and delicious 2 ingredient jello, these are my ingredients: 1 cream cheese, and of course 1 package of blueberry jello. Let me tell you, this jello comes out delicious and nice and creamy. So let's get started. First, I want to start by preparing and dissolving the blueberry jello. I am going to add 1 package, and I'm going to add 1 cup of very hot boiling water. I am going to mix it for a couple minutes until all the gelatin has dissolved completely and the water is really nice and clear with no lumps and not thick at all. Let me tell you, when you mix it for just a couple minutes, I would say 2 to 3 minutes with the boiling water, it's going to be nice and clear, and that's exactly how you want it. Well, here, mix away for a couple minutes, and then you're ready to just put it aside and continue by preparing this amazing and easy creamy jello with only 2 ingredients. So here I've mixed already for a couple minutes. I am going to put it aside, let it rest for a couple minutes while I get the rest of the ingredients ready. This is the best part. Remember, always grease your baking dish. Grease it very well, so when you add the mixture of the jello and you're ready to bring your jello out, it comes out perfectly. It doesn't stick to the top or to the bottom or to the sides of your baking dish. And here I have 1 cream cheese that is at room temperature. I took it out of the refrigerator at least 1 hour before making this amazing recipe. Let me tell you, this jello comes out really beautiful. The presentation is going to be amazing. Of course, the cream cheese at room temperature. I already added 1 cup of very boiling water into the mixture of the gelatin. And here I have my blender cup. In the blender cup, I'm going to add, of course, first the cream cheese. And I'm going to add 2 cups of just regular water. 1 and 2 cups. And now, of course, I'm going to add the mixture of the blueberry jello right on top of all of this. This is only 2 ingredients. Let me tell you, when you bring out this jello, your family is going to be amazed. It comes out really fluffy and nice and creamy. And now we are ready to blend away. We're going to blend it away until it's really incorporated. The cream cheese needs to be really incorporated with the wet ingredients, with the water. Once you look and it looks nice and creamy, you're ready to put it into your mold. Of course, don't think this is going to be done right away. Put it into your mold, leave it overnight, and the next day you're ready to enjoy. This is a perfect dessert when you want to end your day with something delicious, creamy, not too sugary, just amazing. Well, here I am going to cover it with saran wrap. I'm going to take it to the refrigerator, leave it there overnight, and the next morning I am ready to reveal how this jello came out. If you got to this part of the video, you like and you love this recipe, like, subscribe, and share. Be part of Cooking with Gloria. Be part of Cooking with Gloria growing here in YouTube. Well, let me show you. I'm going to wet my hands. I'm going to push a little bit all the sides, so start releasing from the baking dish. And once you have released it from the baking dish, you're ready to transfer it to a plate. And here I'm ready to transfer it to this small plate. Dab it a little bit at a time, and look at this. It really comes out so beautiful. You don't need any decoration. Let me show you from the sides how beautiful it has separated. The top portion, it's nice and clear with a little bit of blue, the texture. The bottom texture is really creamy, fluffy, delicious. My mouth is watering because I know that this dessert is just perfect to end a day, especially if your day was really hard and you're working and you're ready to end a day with a delicious and two ingredient jello. This is the perfect dessert to end your day. Well, here, let me tell you how creamy this is. Of course, you don't need decoration, but I added a little bit of blueberries right on the top for the presentation. Let me show you how thick, how delicious, how creamy this comes out. Once you make it, you're really going to fall in love with this easy and delicious creamy jello. Of course, I need to take my piece out. I need to show you how it looks. I need to show you the separation of the creaminess on the bottom and then the jello on the top. And let me tell you, the texture is just amazing. And of course, I need to taste it. I need to show you how creamy this is. Look at this. Like I said, it doesn't need decoration, but if you want to add a little bit of whipped cream right on the top and some blueberries, go ahead. This really comes out delicious and amazing, and the sweetness just perfect. Look how beautiful this comes out. I am ready for the presentation. I can't wait to enjoy it, so I'll see you in just a little bit. Enjoy. With this amazing creamy blueberry jello. Look at this, so creamy, and you could even see 2 layers on the jello. The bottom part, it's so creamy, and the top part just amazing. Excuse me. So delicious. You don't need too much of decoration. This tastes amazing. So creamy, but yet nice and light. To end your beautiful day. If you liked and loved this amazing jello, like, subscribe, and share. And don't forget to push that notification bell. And if you did, leave it activated, so every time I make an amazing recipe, yes, you're going to be notified. Before I say I see you soon, I wish you nothing but the best. Peace and love. I love you guys. Thank you for being here. Thank you for being part of Cooking with Gloria. Like, subscribe, and share. I will stay enjoying this amazing blueberry jello. It came out perfect. Bye-bye.